So students, we have discussed about the plane mirror, okay, and we have seen the properties of images formed by plane mirror. And again, one very important phenomenon we will learn here, that is lateral inversion, which is shown by plane mirror. See what is mean by lateral inversion? The interchange of sides. Interchange of sides. We know that two types of side, left and right. Yes, left side and right side. And which type of image is formed by the plane mirror? Here we can see the plane mirror here. One boy is standing in front of the plane mirror and image is formed virtually and erected. Clearly we can see, and it is the back side of the mirror. It is of the back side of the plane surface of the mirror, or smooth surface or shiny surface of the mirror. It is at the back side, means we can see it is seems to appear inside the mirror, है ना, अंदर है ऐसा दिख रहा है. इसका मतलब क्या है? उसका जो प्लेन और स्मूथ सरफेस है, शाइनी सरफेस है, उसके बिहाइंड इमेज है. तो ये इमेज का और एक क्या है प्रॉपर्टी? इफ वी हैव रेज्ड द लेफ्ट हैंड, if that boy is raised a left hand here, it seems that it appear that the image raised the right hand, image raised the right hand. Okay, actually that boy raised his left hand, but in image we can see here the boy in the image raised his right hand. Okay, so only the side is interchanged here. Side is interchanged. It's raised left hand, and that image, boy of image raised right hand. So lateral inversion is happened here in this manner. You can understand very well. Always we see that if the letters are written here in front of mirror, A-M-I-T, Amit is written, and backside the virtual and erect image is formed, and here T is at the same distance, and here also T is at same distance. Then I, then here also I, M and M, A and N. But the left and right side is changed here, interchanged here. Left and right side is interchanged. If we raised right hand, the image will raise its left hand. Understood? Anything what is what is at our right side, we can see in the image it is at left side. So that is called lateral inversion. This phenomena we can see in case of plane mirror. Okay, so this was about, and after that we will discuss in this lecture specifically about the curved mirror. Curved mirror. So curved mirror are of the parts of sphere. Yes, that curved mirror. Which types of curved mirror we are having? Convex and concave. Convex and concave mirror. So each and every curved mirror is a part of one sphere. Here also one sphere, it is a part of one sphere, and each and every sphere is having center as well. It's having center. So we will discuss at first what is mean by concave mirror. So concave mirror are those in which the reflecting surface or the shiny surface turn inward, curved inward, turn or curved inward. यहाँ पर जो अंदर का जो भाग है वो शाइनी सरफेस है, रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस है. एंड इन केस ऑफ कॉन्वेक्स मिरर the shiny or reflecting surface is turn or curved outward. यहाँ पर जो बाहर का जो पोर्शन है ये मिरर का, ये कर्व का, ये आउटर पोर्शन जो है वो रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस है. अंडरस्टूड? आई हैव ऑल्सो शोन यू थ्रू द एग्जाम्पल. सो दिस इज द shiny surface of the convex mirror which curved outward, and this is the shiny surface of the concave mirror, and its turn or its curved inward. Okay, So this is the plate, that inner side is concave mirror, and when the reflecting surface is this is the convex mirror, as the convex mirror. Okay. So in case of spoon also, this is the inward turned surface and it is as concave mirror. If the shiny surface is turned inward, is the curved surface or reflecting surface turned inward, then it is as concave mirror. And if the shiny reflecting surface turned outward, curved outward, then it is called as convex mirror. Okay. So how the images form by the concave and convex mirror, that we will see here. So concave mirrors are converging mirrors. Concave mirrors are converging and convex mirror are diverging. मतलब concave mirror में जो reflected rays होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं, क्या करते हैं, कॉन्वर्ज होते हैं इस तरह. ये कॉन्केव मिरर है, इसके जो रिफ्लेक्टेड रे, दीज आर द इंसिडेंट रेज, these are the incident rays. Yes, we can see. And in case of concave mirror, these rays are converging at the same side. These rays are actually converging. These reflected rays, ये incident rays है, और then when they fall on the curved surface, inner curved surface, inside turn curved surface, means on the concave mirror, they get reflected, but they converge at the same side of the object. They converge at the same side of the object. That's why these are known as, these concave mirrors are known as converging lens. मतलब यहाँ पर conversion होता है, actual conversion होता है. Understood? And exactly opposite of that, concave mirror, what happened? In convex mirror, what happened? This is the convex mirror. This is the convex mirror. In this convex mirror, these are the incident rays. These are the incident rays. When this fall on the outward curved surface, means on the convex mirror, what happened? They get reflected. But very important thing we can see here, they are diverged here. They get diverged, means these reflected rays are diverging. Reflected rays are diverging. They are not actually converging, they are diverging at the same side. But virtually we have converge here. Virtually मतलब हम जबरदस्ती यहाँ पर उसको converge किया है. That is virtual conversion, and at this virtual conversion we get the image by the convex mirror. Okay. So this is convex mirror. That's why it is called as diverging mirror. Reflected rays diverge here. That's why it is known as diverging mirror. So here at a time we can see, this is the concave mirror. Here the reflected rays, these are the incident rays. These are the incident rays. All this is incident ray, this is incident ray, again this is incident ray, this is incident ray, and then they get reflected, and that reflected rays actually get converged here at the focal point. Okay, so that this concave mirror is known as converging mirror. And here these are the incident rays which are falling on the convex part of the mirror, and when they incident on the outer curved surface on the convex lens, they get reflected. But how is that reflection? Opposite of that, it is diverged. That reflected rays are diverged here, and virtually they are converged here. At the back side of the mirror. Here at the same side of mirror, actually they are converging. Here at the back side of mirror, virtually they are converging. That's why they are known as diverging mirror. Diverging mirrors. Okay, diverging mirrors. Convex mirrors are diverging mirror, and these are concave mirrors are converging mirrors. Okay, so here we can see, here due to actual conversion of reflected ray we get real image, and also it is inverted. Real image always inverted. Real image always is इन्वर्टेड, मतलब उल्टी होती है. जो इमेज मिलती है वो जो ऑब्जेक्ट की डायरेक्शन होती है उससे एकदम अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में होती है. समझ में आया? और हियर एज द रिफ्लेक्टेड रेज इन केस ऑफ कॉन्वेक्स मिरर, as the reflected rays virtually converging, that's why we get virtual image, and always virtual image is erect. Always virtual image is erect. मतलब जो डायरेक्शन में ऑब्जेक्ट होता है वही डायरेक्शन में, सपोज ये डायरेक्शन में ऑब्जेक्ट है तो यही डायरेक्शन में हमको इमेज मिलती है. एंड द साइज ऑफ द इमेज इज डिपेंड ऑन द डिस्टेंस. साइज ऑफ इमेज इज डिपेंड ऑन द डिस्टेंस ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट फ्रॉम द मिरर. समझ में आया? ये सेम साइज की होती है ऐसा नहीं है. ये क्या होती है, कॉन्वेक्स मिरर में इमेज हमेशा छोटी बनती है, डिमिनिश्ड. इमेज इज ऑलवेज डिमिनिश्ड. डिमिनिश्ड मतलब छोटी. कैसी होती है? डिमिनिश्ड इमेज. यस, डिमिनिश्ड इमेज. एंड हियर image is always real. Image is always real. Image is formed and always erect. Sorry, always inverted. Inverted मतलब ये डायरेक्शन में यदि ऑब्जेक्ट है तो इमेज की डायरेक्शन होगी बिल्कुल उल्टी. This is the object and this is the image. सो डायरेक्शन इज अपोजिंग, मतलब इसका सिर ऊपर है तो इसका सिर नीचे है. इन दिस मैनर इमेज इज फॉर्म. एंड अगेन इन केस ऑफ कॉन्केव मिरर वी गेट वर्चुअल इमेज एज वेल. वर्चुअल इमेज एज वेल. और इमेज यहाँ पर डिमिनिश भी मिलती है और मैग्नीफाइड भी मिलती है. डिमिनिश मतलब छोटी और मैग्नीफाइड मतलब बड़ी. मैग्नीफाइड मतलब लार्ज देन द ऑब्जेक्ट, वेरी मच लार्ज देन द ऑब्जेक्ट. एंड डिमिनिश मतलब ऑब्जेक्ट है उसके साइज से छोटा. समझ में आया? छोटी इमेज जब मिलती है तो उसको डिमिनिश्ड इमेज बोलते हैं. ऑब्जेक्ट से छोटी मिलती है तो डिमिनिश्ड इमेज बोलते हैं, और ऑब्जेक्ट से बड़ी इमेज मिलती है तो उसको मैग्नीफाइड इमेज बोलते हैं. समझ में आया? सो दीज आर द प्रॉपर्टी. सो इन केस ऑफ कॉन्वर्जिंग मिरर्स हाउ वी गेट इमेजेस we will see one by one. First of all, we will see the properties of images, how the images form, that we will discuss. कैसे कैसे टाइप की इमेज होती है वो हम यहाँ पर डिस्कस करेंगे. So how the image form when the reflected rays converge at that point image is formed. When the reflected rays converge at any point, and at that point image is formed. समझ में आया? जहाँ पर रिफ्लेक्टेड रे कॉन्वर्ज होते हैं वो पॉइंट पे इमेज फॉर्म होती है. सो दिस कॉन्वर्जिंग पॉइंट में बी रियल और वर्चुअल. वो कॉन्वर्जिंग पॉइंट कैसे होता है? कभी रियल भी होता है और कभी वर्चुअल भी होता है. वी हैव सीन ऑलरेडी दैट. Then the reflected rays when converge actually, then the image is always real and inverted. Real image कभी भी inverted होती है. Actually when the reflected ray converge, then the image we get it is real and inverted. And when the reflected rays converge virtually, then or imaginary, virtually means imaginary, then the image is always virtual and erect. कैसी इमेज बनती है? जब वो रिफ्लेक्टेड रेस कॉन्वर्ज होते हैं कैसे, वर्चुअली कॉन्वर्ज होते हैं, तो इमेज ऑलवेज वी गेट वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट। इरेक्ट मतलब सीधी मिलती है, सेम डायरेक्शन में। एंड नेक्स्ट थिंग इज द साइज एंड द टाइप ऑफ इमेज डिपेंड ऑन द डिस्टेंस ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट फ्रॉम द मिरर। किस पे डिपेंड होता है, ऑब्जेक्ट का मिरर से जो डिस्टेंस होता है। सपोज ये मिरर है तो ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ है तो इमेज अलग मिलेगी, यहाँ है तो इमेज अलग मिलेगी, यहाँ है तो इमेज अलग मिलेगी। समझ में आया? तो जो इमेज कहाँ में कैसे मिलती है, ऑब्जेक्ट का डिस्टेंस मिरर से जितना है उसके ऊपर इमेज का भी साइज और टाइप डिपेंड होता है। कभी मैग्नीफाइड इमेज मिलती है तो कभी डिमिनिश्ड इमेज मिलती है, मतलब कभी छोटी मिलती है ऑब्जेक्ट से तो कभी बड़ी मिलती है ऑब्जेक्ट से। समझ में आया? तो साइज एंड द टाइप ऑफ इमेज डिपेंड ऑन द डिस्टेंस ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट फ्रॉम द मिरर और लेंस। ओके, देन द कॉन्वर्जिंग पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड फोकस। कॉन्वर्जिंग पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड फोकस, यस, एंड वेयर द इमेज इज फॉर्म। The point converging point is called focus and at that point image is formed। ये focus जो होता है वो क्या होता है, जहाँ पर converging point होता है reflected rays का उसको focus बोलते हैं, and at that focus image is formed। Okay, so we will see what is mean by focus, then center of curvature, what is mean by center of curvature, that also we will discuss through the diagram। So here we are seeing the concave mirror, whether it is concave or convex, each curved mirror is part of the sphere and every sphere is having center। कोई भी स्पीयर सेंटर से ही होता है ना, जैसे हम कोई भी निकालते हैं सर्कल तो उसको सेंटर होता है, स्पीयर को भी एक सेंटर होता है। दैट सेंटर इज नोन एज सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर। दैट सेंटर इज नोन एज सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर। सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर इज डिनोटेड बाय सी, यहाँ पर सी से डिनोट किया जाता है। सेंटर ऑफ स्पीयर विच द मिरर इज ऑफ विच मिरर इज पार्ट, जिसका मिरर एक पार्ट होता है उसे क्या बोलते हैं, सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर। ये जो स्पीयर है उसका जो सेंटर है और ये कर्वेचर है उसका भी सेंटर यही है, दैट इज नोन एज सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर। इट इज डिनोटेड बाय सी। व्हाट इज द पोल? It is the middle point of the mirror. Pole, center of reflecting surface। यह reflecting surface concave mirror का ये है, ये साइड का concave mirror का reflecting surface है, तो इसका जो center point होता है उसको P बोलते हैं। तो ये mirror है उसका center point, ये center of curvature के line में ही होता है और इससे बोला जाता है pole। इससे क्या बोला जाता है, pole। And where the reflected rays converge at the point where the reflected rays converge actually or virtually, it is known as focus, and at this focus we get image। Yes, very simple, it's very simple। What is focus? At the point where the reflected rays get converge। We can see some in case of concave mirror that focus is at the same side, and in case of convex mirror the focus is at back side of the shiny place or reflecting surface। Okay, it is virtual, it is real। Okay, so in this manner size of the image depend on the where the object is located। If the object is beyond that center of curvature, then the image is very small, in case of concave mirror। All that things we will discuss in our next lecture, how the image is formed in case of convex and concave mirror। Okay, so read this portion from your textbook also and note down all that things in your notebook। These are the very important and basic point। What is mean by pole? Pole is the center of the curvature, then pole is the Pole is the center of the reflecting surface. Center of the reflecting surface. Then center of curvature C is the center of sphere. Center of sphere. Of that sphere, that mirror is curved mirror is part. Okay. Principal focus. This is the principal focus. That is the converging point. And this is the principal axis. This is the principal axis. What is principal axis? Principal axis. The line through the center of curvature to the pole, and it is the middle line at the center. This line is known as principal axis, and on that principal axis we have to keep the object. Okay, so we will discuss in detail in our next lecture. Thank you.